In Activity 1.1, we're learning about a super important punctuation mark in English, the question mark. This is a question mark. It goes at the end of a question. It tells us that something is being asked. For example, look at this question. What time is it? For this to be a complete question, you need to put a question mark at the end. Now turn to Activity 1.1 in the textbook. Your task is to answer the questions with personal information, like this. What is your name? My name is Jose. Great. Now you can pause the video here to answer the following 4 on your own. Excellent. Let's practice some writing. Look at the example. Your task is to write a question based on the information in the sentence. The example reads, write a question about your president's name. So I can write the question based on the information like this. What is your president's name? Notice I put a question mark at the end to indicate it is a question. Let's try number 1. The sentence reads, write a question about your friend's favorite food. We'll begin with what is, and then add the last part of the sentence, your friend's favorite food. Finally, add the question mark to complete the question. There, now it is complete. What is your friend's favorite food? Great. Pause the video here and complete number 2 by rewriting the sentence as a question. Superb. Did you write a question correctly? Let's see. The sentence reads, write a question about your teacher's favorite car. Since it is asking about your teacher's favorite car, I will start the question with what is, and follow it with your teacher's favorite car, like this. What is your teacher's favorite car? Awesome. Now complete numbers 3, 4, and 5 on your own. Pause the video now, and when you complete 3, 4, and 5, hit play again. I will reveal the correct responses. You can do this. Well, take a look at the responses. How well did you do? For additional practice, check the description for a link to a supplemental worksheet. It's a free download you can practice and go over with a partner, a tutor, or your teacher. Wow, this activity has been pretty engaging. To share your thoughts about this activity, or if you have questions, be sure to write them in the comments. I will respond to them. I hope you enjoyed this activity. We've got plenty more for this textbook, Writing Journey for Beginners. Until next time, keep practicing your writing skills.